now something else back. I'm gonna shoot next. So for this, okay, right to go between. What's up guys, welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a really cool voice command, or we can say voice control, that is absolutely incredible. If you're having like an iPhone. Now as you can see, I'm like using my finger swiping up and down, right, to go between like different reels and stories while looking at my Instagram. All right, so instead of this, actually we can do something else. All right, let's say that you're lying on your bed, okay, you're trying, or you cannot use your finger for any reason, okay, or one of your hands, okay, so instead you can do this. All right, just watch. Next, next, next. So you can use this voice command or voice control, all right, to do this for you guys. And it's not about like, we can say this, okay, but I'm gonna show you, all right, instead of like swiping up, all right, to go like to the next, we can say story or reel, all right, you can do more, all right. So I'll show you the way, and then you're free, to do, how many, like, we can say commands you want to do, all right. So for this, okay, you need to go to the settings, all right, and scroll down to accessibility, and then voice control, all right, and then, okay, now here it's on, right, it's already on, okay, so I'm gonna turn it off, all right, and then show you the steps, okay. So between turning this one on, turning this one on, all right, go to the commands, all right, and then custom, okay, and then I'm gonna delete this one, which is like the previous one, okay, and then I'm gonna show you what to do that, all right. So all right, let's go back. Okay, custom, okay, create new command, all right, and then into the word, okay, let's say the next, okay, right, and then the action. Now run custom gesture, okay, and do this, okay. Now quickly, do that quickly, because if you do not do that quickly, okay, then the move, all right, between reels or we can say stories will be like slow, okay, so you have to do that, right. Now save, okay, and then new command and save, all right. And that's it. Now go back to the commands, okay? And then voice control. Now turn this one on, all right? Accessibility, back. Let's open Instagram again, all right? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go back to Apple, all right? Okay, let's see, okay, if it works, right? Next. 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 As you can see, guys, it works, right? So for this, actually, you don't only, need to like do it for once, we could say command, right? You can go back, right, to like, let's say, where was it? Okay, voice control, right? And then commands, right? And you can do something more, like, for example, let's say you use like up and down instead, okay? Because why I'm saying this, all right? Because when you say, for example, up, all right, the page will go up like this, okay, and when you say down, all right, it will go back to the previous one, okay, which is something, like I can say more cool for you guys, okay. So please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this one, and share with your friends if you see that this one is helpful for them, okay. See you next time. Bye bye.